The rise of AI has sparked debates about its potential to replace human jobs, particularly in programming. Are programmers at risk by the end of 2025? Today, AI tools like GitHub Copilot assist developers by generating code snippets and detecting bugs. Yet, human oversight remains essential for complex tasks. AI can automate routine coding tasks, boosting productivity. However, human involvement is vital for problem-solving and innovative features. AI faces hurdles like understanding context. It cannot replace human insight necessary for aligning code with business goals. Instead of replacement, AI is said to transform programmer roles. Developers will focus on higher-level responsibilities and collaboration with AI. AI's growth will create new job opportunities for skilled programmers who can build and maintain sophisticated AI tools. In conclusion, AI won't replace programmers by 2025. It will enhance their capabilities and foster collaboration, essential for innovation.